everybody, my name is Sophie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short video on how to curl your hair without using any heating tools or any irons or any curlers. It's actually very simple. I saw it on a YouTube channel from some Brazilian girl and I tried it and I loved it. I completely fell in love with it. So all you're gonna need is one bathrobe thingy. I don't know what it's called, so I'm just gonna call it the bathrobe thingy. And that's it. That's all you need. Start by brushing your hair to make sure there are no knots. Now take the rope thingy and put it on top of your head and make sure that it's centered in the middle. Split your hair in two parts and secure one half of your hair with an elastic. I usually spray a little bit of water before I start curling my hair because I've noticed that this helps keep them on for longer. Take one strand of hair and roll it around the robe. Once it has done a full circle around the robe, take another strand of hair and put them together and do another circle and keep going on and on and on until you run out of hair. Once you're completely done with your hair and there's no more strands that you can add to it, just keep curling your hair until you reach the very end. Now roll your hair into a bun and make a knot out of your hair. Repeat the process for the other side. about 10 hours since I did this thing last night, and as you can tell, it stays in place. It stays really good. It actually holds really good, and it's not comfortable to sleep with this rolls, so it's really easy to do this thing. I'm gonna undo this thing. Yeah, it stays on really good, and it doesn't bother me at all. You know how sometimes whenever you use rollers and you try to sleep with them, and then you end up waking up millions of times throughout the night because they're constantly bugging you or digging into your skin or something like that. Yeah, the good thing is that it doesn't happen with this. And then it's so easy whenever you travel. You just, all you have to do is pack one of these things, and you're good to go. Just look at that. Oh my god, so pretty. There you go. Look at that. That's so pretty. Look at that, it's bouncing. God, it's gorgeous. These are so beautiful. I don't even need to do anything. I don't need to style them or do anything at all. I could just spray a little bit of hairspray right here just so it wouldn't be like really fluffy, and just go to work. That's all you gotta do. It's really easy and it's really pretty. And of course you can, if this thingy, I still don't remember what the name of this is, but this one is really big, as you can tell. That's why my curls are more like waves. I mean, they're really pretty. I love them like this. But if you have a smaller one, or you can fold this one in half, and your curls are gonna be tighter and smaller. It also depends a lot on how tight you curl your hair around this little thingy. Because if you want them smaller, I like them like this because they're waves and my hair is really long, so it's actually impossible for me to curl my hair in here. Like, it's never gonna be like fluffy because my hair is so heavy, so it goes all the way down. But if you want to do like small little tight curls, just fold this one in half and curl it like really tight. Apart from that, that's all you have to do. And as you can tell, it's really pretty and really easy, and you don't damage your hair at all like this. And then if you want to fluff them out a little bit, just turn over. And we're good to go. That's it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you do like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.